Hello, my name is Viharaa Jayasinghe, and this would be the 26th episode of my e-commerce web application project. And in this video, I will be mainly focusing on the programming part of the product removing process of the watchlist page. So let's go to our Google Chrome, well, it's our web browser. I have currently opened the watchlist page of my account. So as you can see, there are three products in my watchlist page, and in each card you can see the remove button, so you can remove a required product. So I will remove this product firstly. So as you can see, now it's excluded from the watchlist page. I will exclude these two as well. Now our watchlist page is empty. So to get depth understanding about this process, let's go to our Visual Studio Code. So firstly, using search query, we search our required data. So this variable contains all of our required data, all results actually. So in the below you can see, using a for loop, we select each row, and a selected row can be considered as an array. As you can see, using this index of that array, we assign this variable. Now it's an ID. Using this watchlist ID, so we will use this watchlist ID as our parameter. I will show you. This is the button that we just click. It's not a button actually, it's a link, but because of this bootstrap class, we get to see it as a button. So when we click this button, we activate this function and we pass a parameter. The parameter we sending is that ID, is the watchlist ID of that selected row. This one. So when we activate that function, this is the function that we are activating, and this is the ID that we sent, and the name of it is now ID. And as you can see, we are sending to this file, remove watchlist process.php file, in the get method, as you can see, using an Ajax request in get method. And also, since it's the get method, we bind our ID to our URL. Let's go to the remove watchlist process.php file, which is this. So we assign that value that we have received from the JavaScript to this variable. Using that variable, we execute this search query, and we calculate the number of rows and assign it to this variable. If the number of rows is equal to 0, we echo this text, and if it is not equal to 0, that means there are results, and it should be 1 actually. So we select that row. So after selecting that row, we execute this insert query using this array, which we derive from the row, from the selected row. We get this index, the product of that, the product ID of that watchlist row, and the email of that user. So we can add that product to the recent page of the user, and then we execute this delete query. So the product, so that row gets deleted from the watchlist table and gets removed from the watchlist page as well. Then we echo success. Then if we receive that success, we reload that page, so the user get to see that product be excluded from the page. If not, we get to see other responses, as you can see. So that would be the end of the 26th episode of my e-commerce web application project. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you.